Alright gamers, listen up. Today I'm diving into the GTRACING Gaming Chair with footrest and Bluetooth speakers. If you've been searching for a chair that promises both comfort and immersive sound, stick around. This might just be what you're looking for. First off, let's talk about those Bluetooth speakers. Built right into the chair, these speakers deliver surround sound, making your gaming sessions even more epic. Whether you're battling foes or exploring new worlds, the audio quality is on point. And the best part, it connects seamlessly with your phone, tablet, or any Bluetooth device. No more messing with tangled wires. Now, on to the comfort factor. GTRACING isn't just about flashy features, they've nailed the ergonomics too. The chair's sturdy metal frame supports your posture, perfect for those long gaming marathons. Adjustable armrests and seat height let you customize your setup to your liking. Plus, the high-density foam cushion and smooth PU leather make it ultra comfy and durable. Trust me, your back will thank you. Speaking of durability, this chair is built to last. With its high-quality materials, it can handle the wear and tear of daily use. It's got a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds and a seat back height of 33.07 inches. Whether you're at your desk working, studying, or gaming, this chair's got your back, literally. Alright, let's talk about those key features that make this chair stand out. The built-in Bluetooth speakers create a surround sound experience, reducing the need for headphones and preventing hearing fatigue. The chair's construction is all about balancing support and plushness with its high-density cold-cured foam, and the PU leather upholstery? It's not just for show, it's designed to withstand extended use while still looking fresh and feeling luxurious. But wait, there's more! The GTRACING Gaming Chair is all about versatility. You can recline the backrest from 90 to 155 degrees, finding that perfect angle for everything from working to gaming to just kicking back and relaxing. The footrest is an awesome addition, letting you stretch out and chill during breaks. This chair isn't just a one-trick pony, it's designed to fit all your needs. So is the GTRACING Gaming Chair worth it? If you're after a chair that combines comfort, durability, and some seriously immersive audio, then absolutely. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just need a comfy spot to work, this chair's got you covered. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy gaming.